Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this bill. Sir, our Chief Minister, Honorable Shri Mamata Bandyopadhyay, who is a champion of MSME industry, she has inspired me to stand here and speak on this amendments bill, which appears to be technical in nature, but sir, in fact, it is half-hearted. Sir, I have a few suggestions to make. These amendments will go, are maybe good, will go and must have been debated. Sir, some practical points I want to raise to Honorable Finance Minister, who he can consider, because I feel a second amendment will be necessary and he'll be very shortly bringing in one. Sir, number of partners per audit that is allowed. So simple mathematical calculations on the number of companies that are there in India and the number of auditors that are available to audit them, the figure does not come down to 20 that is prescribed in this bill. Sir, on the one hand we talk about promoting entrepreneurship, but on the other hand we weaken all avenues for an entrepreneur to raise funds from friends and families or related parties under Section 185. Sir, filing has been increased tremendously, and filing fees for every small document, 500 rupees filing fees has been increased. Sir, this will affect the common man, the poor entrepreneurs who want to start their businesses. Sir, another anomaly that this act has failed, this amendment fails to address is the difference of depreciation that is being computed under Income Tax Act and Companies Act. Sir, 40% of the act is yet to be enforced. We don't know what is the fate of that 40% of the act. The most frequent word used throughout the act is "as may be prescribed," throwing open it to wide interpretation and litigation. Sir, entrepreneurs and business come together to do business by floating companies, because one of two, they're all threatened with imprisonment. Again, this is also not being addressed properly. Major deterrent should be addressed only in most serious cases, that too when it is proven beyond reasonable doubt. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.